KEB is an innovative provider of drive and automation solutions. Especially in the range of gear units and motors, we offer a lot of different types and sizes. Starting from small asynchronous motors with 100 watts up to around 100 kilowatt synchronous motors, there are various possibilities. Combined with the KEB gear units, the diversity of application solutions increases even more. For example, we can build small warm gear motors for a simple conveyor belt, or on the other hand, a high efficient and complex geared motor with different properties like integrated safety components for woodworking or tooling machine. In combination with other KEB products like brakes and clutches, and of course the Generation 6 drive controllers, as well as the latest control systems, we at KEB can automate your individual machine.